Alright, marami pong sa...
Siyempre Pinoy, siyempre wala tatalo sa Pinay Beauty.
Paano if you can see a very mestiza girl in the... Katang sabi, hi keeper. Alright, Pilipino o mestiza?
Pinay.
Pinay ba? Nakita niyo yun, ba't may konting Pinay? Alright.
Comment yung my Snapchat mo, please. Ay, yung
Kay ano rin, kay bola po ng Daklan. Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Here we go, Mr. Nias. Ayon as Kayat Zep, it was spoiled by Miro. Here we go. Back to the ball game. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here it comes. May pulis po tumatawag. Salamat po, mga kaibigan. We have a beautiful, sumptuous lunch here. Wow. Right? Junkyard dog popping out. They're killing some time. Number 13, all of a sudden, a jogger from top of the keyhole. Napapatayo po tayo pag yung courtside nakascore. Number 4, not ready. Number 8, though, regains possession. Alright, kumusta, Gretchen? From, I think Lapu-Lapu, yeah? Alright.
Go Ateneo! Go Ateneo!